Stop spending money on store-bought veggies. What if I told you that you can grow your own vegetables faster than you ever thought possible? Whether you're a beginner or a gardening pro, these expert tips will have you harvesting in no time. Stick around to the end because I'll reveal the one secret trick that can double your harvest. Let's get started. If you want a fast harvest, pick the right crops. Some veggies grow like magic in just 3 to 4 weeks. Try these: radishes, ready in 20 to 30 days, lettuce and spinach, baby leaves in just 3 weeks, green onions, harvest in 2 to 3 weeks. Plant these and you'll never have to wait months for food again. Your plants are only as good as the soil they grow in. Here's the perfect mix for rapid growth. 1 part compost, packed with nutrients. 1 part garden soil, provides a strong base. 1 part perlite or sand, keeps roots breathing. This mix will give your veggies an instant growth boost. Watering the right way is the key to fast growth. Here's the secret. Morning watering is best. It helps plants absorb nutrients all day. Deep watering every 2 days encourages strong roots. Rainwater or compost tea, that's a game changer. Give your plants what they need and they'll grow like crazy. Forget expensive fertilizers. Try these free natural boosters. Banana peels for a potassium kick. Eggshells for stronger roots and healthier plants. Coffee grounds to supercharge leafy greens. Use these, and your garden will thrive faster than ever. This is the secret trick pro gardeners use to never run out of veggies. As soon as you harvest, plant more. Grow in waves with new crops every 2 weeks. Mix fast and slow growers to always have something to eat. This method keeps your garden full year-round. Now, you know the secrets to growing vegetables fast. Which tip are you trying first? Comment below, and if you want even more expert gardening tricks, hit that like and subscribe button now. Your fresh homegrown harvest starts today.